I love Henry, I think most of all just because he's my best friend. He's been everywhere with me.
I don't think I'd want to live without my dogs, to be quite honest. You know, they're such a big part of my life.
He's just a great companion, really, I think.
I love her personality and her friendliness.
Even at the saddest times, it gives you all the happiness that you could want.
هو ذنب في أنا حيوان وأنا زمان أقيم به ولدي لازم أعتني به.
ፈረሱ በጣም እኔ ጠቃሚ ነው አለሱ በሱ ስለሆነስ መንቀሳቀስ ፈረሱን ራስ ያስበልጭ ነው
Kundangu natumia kupeleka mashineni